Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete downloaded, failed, or pending updates in your Windows Update application on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up File Explorer. So if you want to search for it in the search menu, you can. Otherwise, you can select the taskbar icon for it, assuming you have it. And you want to select this PC on the left panel here. Double click on your drive where Windows is installed. It should be indicated by a little Windows icon above the hard drive. So go ahead and double click on that. Now you want to do the same thing for the Windows folder, so double click on that. Should be a software distribution folder in here. Go ahead and double click on that. And then there should be a download folder. Double click on that one as well. Now at this point, just highlight over everything in here and just tap the delete key on your keyboard or right click and just select delete. So just go ahead and delete everything in there. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and close out of here. And I would suggest restarting your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point now, if you go ahead and check for Windows updates again, you should be good to go. So let's go ahead and actually just check for updates at this point. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.